Hi guys, welcome to my review and demonstration of inboxr. First of all, I'm going to show you around and give you a brief description of what it does. It has a lot of features that you won't find in any other bot. Sorry, I just right-clicked on that there. First of all, you've got all these. If you've got a few fan pages like I have, you can connect them all up. Okay, and that's your list down the right-hand side. You've also got an option to do Facebook and Twitter. So you can click on Twitter or Facebook. I'm more into the Facebook, guys. I'm not so much into Twitter at the moment, but I will do. So let's get started. First, before we go down this left-hand side, sorry, I'm just going to show you what you do. You click on it. I'm going to click on my Paul Green's web hosting. By the way, guys, if you want to join my networking group, I'll leave the details in the description below. So here we go. This is the graph, messages exchanged, total messages that have been sent, and also down the left, or you've got an option to test your bot at the top also. You can change, if you click on this here, you can change again, you can change all your different pages. You've got your dashboard, which we are on now, guys. The message hub is brilliant. It has all the messages that you've made. There we go. And bot training. Now the bot training, you've got your keywords, sequences, broadcasts, welcome message, and error message. It may sound a little bit daunting to you if you haven't used one before, but there is full tutorials with this. At the bottom here, you've got where is the training? You've got all the training videos that walk you through it. You've got your analytics, which is, as it says on the tin, guys, it's just going to tell you, you've got to pick a date, and that it tells you what's been going on. Page Manager is brilliant. You click on Page Manager and you can do pages or page settings, so you can actually put input. There we go. You can, this is where the manager is, where I showed you before up above, but you can actually link and unlink your pages. Page settings. Just as I say, create replies, get started buttons, integration, because you can integrate with other apps. You've got your live chat, viral content, and again your training. It's best to go through the training, guys, but it is quite easy. I'm going to be starting to do my own tutorials, simplified version for people, and we're doing a bot challenge. If you want to join our bot challenge, you can join it. I'll put the details below this video. But I think I'd be dying to see a little demonstration, so I'm just going to show you what I've done. Because to monetize this, I've got it set up in my page. So I've only been setting it up for I've been experimenting the last few days, but I've only just started setting it up properly, guys. If you just give this time to kick in, because I'm on a go slow with my internet at the moment. I feel like singing a song while you're waiting, but I think that'd scare you off. Here we go. This is my messenger. So it has a test button. So I'm just going to say, let's say you've decided to visit my page, and you say hi. So I'm going to type hi in, click enter. Hi, I'm the virtual Paul Green. How can I help you? So I'll put a little picture on, make it look cute, because I'm quite cute as well, I suppose. Not as cute as that little robot there. So If you want to check out my products, you will click on products, click enter. To view my products or join our group, click this button. So click the button. I think I've got a delay on that. I think it's delayed. Anyway, we'll see what you know. Oh, yeah, we go. See how it works. It has error messages as well, so if somebody types something in, you can set it to give them a message. So sorry, it's gonna go slow. So if you want to join me challenge, guys, you would visit us and you would click challenge. Well, write challenge, sorry. Get the E in there, and then I click challenge. And here we go. I've put the photo in challenge, join the bot challenge here, and then you would click on it, and it would take you to the group where I'm going to hold the challenge, where there'll be competitions, free bots. There's going to be a lot going on, a free website for those that complete the challenge. Now, so that's me little demo, or I'll see if I can make a mistake and I'll show you what happens. Just type a random word. So yeah, I can't remember if I've set that bit up yet. Let's have a look. Probably not. Oh, yeah, we'll go. There we go. And me little sorry I don't understand, please try again with me little confused robot. So that's how it goes, guys. It's fantastic. It does a lot more than this, but I haven't got all day to explain. So I'll see you in a future video, and visit me group, guys, and say hello and join the challenge if you want. Okay, guys, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye. God bless.